Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to plant and grow spinach and zucchini squash in the same space. Here's a clip from the show. Next is the squash that we want to put in, so I dug 4 holes. I dug the holes kind of close to the edge so that the plants can spill over into the aisle a little bit, because they'll fill up this whole section as they get going. And I have this. So this hill has 4 plants in it, and what I want to do is leave them all together. I'm just going to turn this upside down, push it from the bottom, and I'm going to leave all these roots alone. I'm not going to disturb any of that. And I'm going to plant this one right here next to the edge. And so the roots and part of the plant will be in the bed, and then part of the plant will be laying over the outside, which is just fine. We can utilize the aisle space a little bit. Now this hole here, I have 2 single plants, so I'm going to plant them together as a hill. So I'll make this hole just a little bit bigger. And same thing, turn it upside down. Do not disturb the roots at all. Set it in there real gently. And these 2 will become a hill. The reason that you want a hill for your squash is you need the cross-pollination. So if the female flower is open and there's no male flowers to pollinate that day, then you're not going to get any squash. So when you don't have enough flowers open, you don't get the cross-pollination, and you don't get any fruit set on your plants. So what we want to do is be sure that there's enough plants. The minimum is 4, usually. We're going to have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to have 12 in this bed. So we're going to have 12. So if I got a male flower open on one and a female open on the other, the bees will come and cross-pollinate that. Or we'll teach you how to hand pollinate that. That's another way that we can do that, so that we get pollination and get some good squash in here. So we got the squash planted. The next thing we need to do is get these watered. The water can is full and it's running out the crack. That's all right. So get these watered in so that we get all the air pockets away from the roots. That way the roots don't die because there's too much air around them. So you always, when you transplant, you want to water in right away. All right, the next thing we need to do for the zucchini is to protect it from the sun and the wind. So if we get the sun and wind, we'll put a shade cloth over it. And then we also have to protect it from frost. If that's the case, then we'll put a frost blanket on top of it. So I will monitor these plants really closely so that the wind, the sun, and the frost don't get to them. Other than that, they're going to be sitting here for about 2 weeks growing roots. And then all of a sudden the tops are going to take off. So in those 2 weeks, we'll be able to harvest a lot more spinach. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 9, Part 2. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.